Hi everyone, welcome back to The Roof, where today we're going to talk about video audio. I've always struggled to get good audio out of my video. Using on-camera audio has its limitations. For example, surrounded by loud traffic, you'll pick up a lot of background noise. Windy situations, like right now. Or if I just wanted to step a little bit back from the camera. Quite frankly, the audio quality on most cheap GoPro clones just sucks. So there are quite a few solutions to these problems, and each has their own benefits and drawbacks. For example, shotgun microphones are great for close interviews, but once you step away, they still tend to pick up a lot of background noise. An external voice recorder can add fantastic audio quality, but you have to synchronize in post-production, which is an additional step and a pain in the butt. You can get someone else to help you record audio, but what if you don't have another person? And what if you don't want to be tethered by a long cable back to your camera? You can always just yell at the camera really far away. It turns out there are a ton of options for wireless audio, ranging from roadie to relatively affordable in terms of cost. This Maono system is somewhere in the middle at about $100 US. That does include a receiver and a transmitter though, as some systems at this price only include one piece of the two. Alright, so how about range? These microphones use Bluetooth to transmit their audio, which I expected there to be a bit of latency, but so far it doesn't seem like there's any sync issues with my voice and the camera. So I'm gonna just turn around and walk to the end of the block and back, and we'll see how far this microphone will go. I'm also gonna babble about nothing or nonsense for a bit, so I recently started a new job, and it's got this early morning commute, which is one city over and across a bridge, and how terrible people are at driving. Done a morning for years now, city center, and then I shower the opposite way for over a year. And yeah, now that we're at this sign, let's check the microphone, and you know what, the light is still solid as it's connected, but I have no idea what this audio is going to sound like, if it's going to skip or stutter or have any other issue. But yeah, it says it is connected well over 200 feet. Anyways, I'm going to walk back now and continue my story. So I was driving along today, and I swear, it was pouring rain, and there was 4 car accidents in 20 kilometers. People pulled over, bumpers bent, and I just don't know how people do it, honestly, every single day. So thankfully, this is just for the training portion of this new job, and now I'm going to be going elsewhere for the real portion, the actual work. But my goodness, I am happy that's over and done with. Anyways, now we're back at the camera, and I guess we're going to have to see. There doesn't seem to be any way to monitor the audio quality off of the transmitter module, so it's kind of a what you see is what you get, or you'll have to have somebody on the camera monitoring the audio for you. This wireless mic kit does include a lav mic, which plugs into the body of the transmitter. This is what it sounds like. Now let's unplug it and hear the difference. And for comparison's sake, this is the sound of the transmitter's built-in microphone. So how much better really is a lav mic in traffic? Well, now I'm talking directly into the lav microphone as cars are driving by, and it's just all around noisy here. But I can unplug the lav mic and show you the difference. So let's do that now. For reference sake, this is built-in audio where I'm talking directly to the camera from approximately the same distance. And for reference sake, here's the lav mic that Maono includes in the box. Same heavy traffic, same situation, just a different microphone from the built-in one to the transmitter and the built-in one to the camera. Well, this is a situation I would normally never narrate in, especially with on-camera audio. My camera's about 50 feet away from me, across the road, and I've got this loud highway right above me. Yet, because I have a wireless microphone that is directional and is really close to my mouth, I think you'll mostly just hear my voice instead of all of the surrounding wind and other noise. And this is the audio from the microphone built into the Maono transmitter. I'm going to just clip it to my shirt here and walk back to the camera. I don't have autofocus turned on, so more than likely I'm going to get super out of focus as I get close, but that doesn't really matter. This is just more to show you what it's like when I'm walking and talking to the camera. A little bit windy out too. Hopefully you won't pick up any of that because of this little fuzzy windsock. I do have a couple minor complaints about this system that I need to let you know. First of all, the lights on the system are not very bright, and it's difficult to tell whether or not the microphone is enabled when you're filming outside. Second of all, there is a very quiet background hiss that doesn't go away unless you do additional processing to the audio. And finally, here's a sample of the Maono microphone in an ideal situation. I'm indoors, it's quiet, there's no background noise, there's no traffic noise, and I'm talking directly into the microphone. I'm standing about 10 feet away from my camera as I talk, so using the wireless features, and the mic is plugged directly into my smartphone's headphone jack. Hopefully this is a better example of the Maono's true potential. Although, that being said, I don't see this microphone being used in a professional situation. It seems to be more of an object of convenience. Since it does use Bluetooth, there is still a little bit of background hiss no matter what situation you're in. As well, I think the audio balance is tweaked a little bit more towards treble for my liking, a little bit towards, I wouldn't quite say clarity, but the audio sometimes lacks richness and bass. Mind you, using an equalizer in your video editing software can fix this, but the entire point of this product is for convenience, for simplicity, to have audio built into the camera that you couldn't get without another device and audio synchronization in post production. I wanted to entirely cut out post-processing audio in my videos, and this will help with that. This will make things more convenient in situations I couldn't otherwise film in. Audio quality from the Maono system is overall fine, but it does lack the richness and clarity of a true professional microphone. Right now, I'm narrating on my Yeti, and there's really no comparison. It's kind of like the difference of using a gaming headset versus a full-on professional stand microphone. While the clarity of voice is fine for both microphones, one has an overall richness and warmth that can't be replicated in such a small package. The cool thing with the Maono system is that you can plug in a standard 3.5mm lav mic to it in order to enhance your clarity, bass, and richness with a better quality mic. Thing is though, it seems to be a limitation of the system the way it transmits audio, so some bass and warmth just does not come through. But that being said, overall, for a quick fix for lectures, for somebody who's standing far away where you need audio, especially for people who are narrating or situations that are not mission critical or professional, this microphone kit does the job. If this video does well, I'll also do some comparisons to other wireless microphone kits, purchase them myself so that there's an unbiased opinion. If you want to see something like that, please do let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, everything you do helps, and especially thank you to our Patreon supporters. Links are in the description if you want to learn more about this product. Thanks for watching.